Dear Shiners, thank you for clicking on this video. So you will be learning more about the Looker Studio presented by Google. So how do we tell our story of a data in a better visualization format? And how do we convey the data to the management? And how would that help? So definitely this particular visualization tool helps us to do this. Firstly, let us see what are the benefits that we have. We can visualize the data through highly configurable charts and tables, which you'll be seeing in the upcoming videos. Secondly, it's very easy for us to connect to a variety of data sources. Thirdly, share your insights with your team and with the world. And then the next benefit is we can collaborate on reports with your teams, speed up your report creation process with built-in sample reports as well. So this definitely helps us in a lot of ways. We can share and collaborate. It does help the management take quicker decisions, and also it helps us in analyzing the data and presenting it to the higher management. So these are a few benefits of Looker Studio. Watch this space to look for. Please look forward to learn a lot about Looker Studio. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be walking you through how do we connect to the data, how do we pull the charts and the third-party charts, and how the data can be cleaned up and how could we present it in a very beautiful way. Tips and tricks of Looker Studio, and lot many things. Please do subscribe and watch out this space for a lot of videos related to Looker Studio, Excel, Power BI, etc. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe. Have a nice day, everybody.